How to do the OLL case 7 step by step. Let's do this. You have to see this case is formed by these 4 yellow squares. It seems like a Tetris block. You can see 2 down here, 2 on the right layer, 2 up here, and none on the left layer. Now I will show how to solve it. Let's do this. I have to do this move with 2 layers. Now you go to the left with this upper layer. Now you return with 1 layer, do again this move, go up, do a double move, and return with 2 layers. Now I will show it a little bit faster. Let's do this. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel to help me to do more contents for you, and comment below if you liked and if you want more videos like this. I will wait you for the next content. Take care.